Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your payment method on TikTok in a quick and simple way. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines or menu icon in the top right. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down and look for the Balance or Wallet option and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see payment methods or recharge options depending on your region. Tap on Payment Method and you'll be able to view your current payment option. Now select Change or Add New Method. You can choose options like credit card, debit card, or other available methods. Enter your new payment details carefully and confirm. Once saved, your payment method will be updated successfully. And that's how you can easily change your payment method on TikTok. Subscribe the channel for more videos.